guys, welcome back to my channel. It's DeDe with DeDe at Home, and today's video is a shop with me. I'm going to Five Below and also Hobby Lobby to try and find some new decor pieces for my living room space. So Five Below is the first stop. I've actually never even decided to look here for home decor. It was just on a whim I decided to stop by to see what they may have. So they had a lot of pieces if you were deciding to go with a bohemian or natural aesthetic in your space. For instance, this first floating wall shelf, it was gorgeous. I think you can definitely use this in any part of your home, living room, bathroom, anything, and just you're able to store any type of small little trinkets on that shelf. And then next you see some other wall art. I will say Five Below had a lot of floating shelves, and they had a lot of different wicker and wood options here. So if that's what you're looking for, definitely take a visit to Five Below. This was also very interesting to me, you guys. They had a magazine rack. I can't remember the last time I've seen one of these, but just the beige and the wood I think would be really cute if you wanted to store this in maybe a bathroom or maybe your living room. I was thinking not many of us actually probably still have magazines, but you can store like additional coffee table books that maybe you don't use but you just want to have out for additional decor. So I think that would be a really good idea. They also have these wicker mirrors that you could definitely, I think, buy more than one, and then you can use that for decor as well. Next, I saw these different containers. They had lots of different storage containers that you can use. Of course, this one drew my eye to it with the white and the wood trim. You can use it for any type of storage. You can even use it for maybe your pantry if you wanted to organize your pantry space as well. And then they had these succulents that I thought would be really nice to put on the floating shelves that you saw earlier in the video. This is just an easy way to decorate floating shelves by using succulents like this. I actually have used some of those in my bathroom home decor as well, so check out that video if you haven't seen it. I did redecorate my bathroom a few months back, so I'll link that in the description box. They also had these faux plants. I really think these are cute. Of course, they didn't look as real, but you can just change out the planter pot into something cuter and it will definitely elevate the look. They also had these wicker baskets. Again, this will be great for bathroom storage. I thought I could see, you know, putting face towels in these baskets. You could also use these in your laundry room for like microfiber towels. And then of course they had these different color storage bins. Again, you can use these storage bins for anything under your bathroom shelf. I think it will all be really good to use for storage. So they have lots of options. So of course my first stop for storage items is the Dollar Tree, but if they don't have anything, definitely check out Five Below because I'm sure you'll be able to find the different containers if you're looking for storage options. Next, we saw some of these fluffy, actual fluffy blankets. Of course, they weren't as luxurious as you would get from a Home Goods or Marshalls or maybe even at home, but hey, you get what you get for the price. Next up was this Faux Fur Footstool. Oh my goodness, so cute. I could see you storing this maybe at the end of your bed or your closet. And then the next item, this magnetic letterboard. Oh my goodness, you could do so many things with this in your kitchen, in your office space. I thought that was really cute. And then moving on, they just had some foldable trays that you could use in your space. But then the next thing that I saw that was something I haven't really seen is these different options for the collapsible bins. I do have one of these in my bedroom closet, and I normally only get like black, so I liked having the nude option. And next they had some different options for rugs that you could use for layering. They had this solid yarn dye rug, really cute. Again, you could use that for layering. And then I also saw this jute rug. It was a round jute rug. It was a pretty good size. Again, you could use this in your bathroom. That's where I would think you would use a round rug, but of course you can find where, or maybe even your laundry room. So definitely check that out. And then going into, I feel like this is more for an office, so you could use that to store different papers or whatnot. And then of course, like I said before, they have a lot of floating shelf options. And then lastly, one of my favorite things that I've seen in Five Below is this woven ledge shelf. So many things that you do with that shelf. It's just something different than having a traditional white or wood shelf, so I thought that was really cute. And then ending up with their pillows. So next I decided to go to Hobby Lobby. Like I said before, Hobby Lobby was having a really good deal on their planter pots. A lot of them was marked down for really good prices. So again, one thing that you could do is buy one of their plants. As you can see, they were also marked down. Buy one of those, change the actual planter pot, and it just elevates the whole look in your space. So all of these were 50% off, and so they really ranged, most of them were about $50 for the actual plant. So really good options. I'm thinking about going back and getting one of those to put in my living room space, but we'll see. I'm not quite sure, that's why I didn't get it today, but I'm thinking that could be an option. Next up, they had a lot of different vase options. This was really why I came to Hobby Lobby, because I'm trying to find some additional vases to go on a furniture piece that I have. I loved the colors here of these different vases. They had so many different textures. I love the ones that have the different lines in it, like the ribbed ones. Those are really cute. I love that they have different shapes. Again, this one caught my eye because not only is it kind of ribbed, but it also has a different shape to it. They were all really good prices. I think they were 40 or 50% off the price at the bottom. So I really think they are good options. I am going for a neutral look in my living room, very modern and neutral. So I was really thinking these would be beautiful in someone's space, but I'm not quite sure if I want to add color. So I'm going to have you guys kind of give me some advice in the comment box. I'll show you a piece later on in the video that I'm thinking about going back to get, but I'm not quite sure. But again, you guys, they have so many different options of these different types of vases. Again, I love the browns. I love that green color, and then also the blush color in the vases as well. It's just so many different options. All of these were great quality. They were glass. They weren't plastic. And so I thought they were a really good price for what they were. You definitely don't find many of these pieces in different furniture places that you shop at. So I really love those. I'm also looking for, so I have an open space in my living room, and since I removed my Christmas tree, something definitely needs to go there. I was looking at this shelving unit, but it was $100, and again, I don't want it to be too country or rustic, so I wasn't quite sure if that's the direction I wanted to go in. So I'm still on the hunt to figure out what I want to put in that space. And of course, Hobby Lobby always has lots of wall art and wall pieces to put on your wall. I love this one that says Forever Grateful. Again, I don't have anywhere to put it right now, but I thought it was really cute. So again, they have a lot of little pieces that have green in it that you can put into your space. And so I think that was what was drawing me to the green color. Even though my living room right now is definitely modern and neutral with a lot of nudes and black, I also was thinking about adding a bit of color to the space, but I'm not sure. So this chair was on sale for $44. I'm not sure if it was because it was missing a piece or not. I also like this bowl. It was a good price as well. Definitely something that you could put on your coffee table, or even on the middle of your island in your kitchen. And then these two pieces were really cute as well. I love the marble on the top, and then also I love the gold. I love that it was a bit distressed and it wasn't very bright. They were really good prices. So again, Hobby Lobby has a lot of options. I know typically we think Hobby Lobby is just farmhouse and rustic, but they do have a few other pieces there if you're looking for something more modern, or even industrial. So definitely check out Hobby Lobby. I felt like this pillow leaned more to a glam aesthetic. I thought it was really cute. I think it was $40. And of course, Hobby Lobby, I'm sure it was on sale in this area. But I love the color. I love the beige. I love that it was in stark white. It was really cute. So you guys, this is the piece that really caught my eye. I love the green in this piece. I thought that I could use this and maybe put a battery operated candle in there to give a little bit of sparkle, razzle dazzle, but still being modern. So let me know in the comments, do you think I should add that? Again, I'm going for a modern aesthetic. Right now my colors are nude, black, and white, and a little bit of wood elements in there as well. So again, I'm trying to figure out if I want to add two of those green, what I consider to be candle holders for me. So let me know in the comment box, should I get it or should I leave it? And so that's it for today's video, you guys. Be sure to come back for the next video where I share what my living room space looks like so far. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next one. Bye.